Hi, boys and girls. We're going to read a book now about levers, and it says How Toys Work. Levers. I bet you a lot of you have worked with a lever and not even known that you've done it. Like, for example, have you gone on a seesaw? Or a teeter-totter, some people call it? Well, that's part of lever action. Let's find out about some more levers and where we can find them and how they help us. Alrighty. Our title page. How Toys Work. Levers by Sean Smith. And guess what? Yep, it has a table of contents. Fuel. Need that information. There are many different kinds of toys. Toys work in different ways. Wow, we've got a lot of solids there. Got some hard solids, got some soft solids. Levers. Some toys use levers to work. So when you're using a toaster, you're using a lever. A lever can be a hard stick or bar. So here's a lever that is being used to open a can. Anything where you have to push down and something else will be lifted. A lever can make things easy to move. So yeah, opening a sharp can, it's easier if I put a spoon handle under there and I can use a lever to lift it up without cutting my fingers. Or if I'm playing Hungry Hippos and I'm using that lever to make his mouth go up and down to catch as many marbles as I can. We push or pull a lever. So most of the time I'm pushing down on a lever. Sometimes I have to pull it up, like if I'm pumping water out of a well. Pivot. The lever turns at a place called a pivot. So it's pivot point. The lever makes something move. In this case, the hippo's mouth goes up and down trying to catch those marbles. More toys with levers. A toy shovel is a type of lever. And remember, we also learned that the tip of the shovel, where we push it into the ground, is also a wedge, very skinny wedge to help us get into that point on the earth where we need to lift it up. Your hand turns the shovel to lift up sand. So that's how you turn it into a lever. A seesaw is a type of lever. A seesaw turns in the middle, so we know that's its pivot point right there. When we sit on one end, we push it down. That pushes the other end up. This digger uses a lever. Here's the lever, and we know this end right here is the wedge because that's the part that digs into the ground. You pull the lever to move the shovel. This toy uses a lever right here on his back. You push the lever to move the arms. It's a pretty cool action figure. Which one of these toys uses a lever to work? I wonder which one it is. What do you think uses a lever? What do you think, boys and girls? Yep, if you said C to help raise and lower the bridge, you are right. All right, my friends, now you know about levers and that it has a pivot point, and there are more levers around than you think. So when I'm using a toaster or when I'm lifting my little can lid, there's a lot of times I might use a lever. All right, see if you can find any and scroll on down and find out what your assignment is today.